Hey guys, we received this Vilros Arduino Uno starter kit for test and try. Includes the Arduino Uno R3 board, 190 plus electronics component, breadboard and jumper wires, DC motor, servo, relay, full color, 72 pages manual for starting the things. So this is a Vilros Ultimate Starting Guide, as you can see, and this is the colored guide. These are all individually packed thing, like for the USB or the power connection here, and the other things, so the board and stuff. So I'm just opening quickly like each thing, where you can just put in this. Here you can put the board. So this is the main Arduino R3. So these are all different attachments, like the board to put in the pins. So here are the all different attachments, so you can do the all different projects. This is a motor and things here. Quality wise, this looks nice as a kit itself. So the motor, so here you see like all are the individually packed items, and then the attachments, like this the resistors or the other projects thing that you can use. So I'm just putting this aside for any future project, so I will not lose. And then this is for the battery and all other things in here. So these are the couple wires where you can use, and also things. So all the instructions are provided. You have to download app or like the software to run it, and you can see like how to fix that on the board. So you have to take this plastic thing up, and then there are the two screws provided that you can use to tighten this up, and you can stick the board on the other side. You can download the app, you can do all different projects, so that will be explained by a little techie person.
To begin on your Arduino, you can first go to arduino.cc/en/software to get the software for the Arduino. Once you get that, you can also stop by to wilros.com/blog/downloads/resources to get the USK guide codes. That would help you with your project to start coding some tutorials from your guidebook onto your Arduino. Once you get on the software, you can get some example code. Right now I've opened the blink code, and you can use this to make circuits and make the circuits run on your Arduino. So right now you can go up to here and verify the code. Once it's done compiling, you can upload this code onto your attached Arduino. And over here I have my Arduino attached by USB. And as you can see, the code is working.